Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to enhance your home and outdoor experiences. Today, we're diving into a top contender in the outdoor gear category, the Zettum Snowblower cover. If you're looking for the best waterproof cover to protect your snowblower from harsh weather conditions, you're in the right place. The Zettum Snowblower cover is designed with premium materials, specifically crafted to provide maximum protection. Constructed from 600D Oxford cloth with a PU coating, this cover is not only heavy-duty but also super waterproof. This means your snowblower will stay dry and protected, regardless of whether it's rain, snow, or the intense sun. With dimensions of 70 inches in length, 54 inches in width, and 45 inches in height, this cover is engineered to fit a variety of snowblower brands. It accommodates popular models from Ego, Honda, Ryobi, Cub Cadet, Ariens, and many others, ensuring that you find a perfect fit for your equipment. Just make sure to check the dimensions of your specific model for compatibility. One of the standout features of the Zettum cover is its user-friendly design. It's incredibly easy to put on and take off, saving you time and effort. Simply drape it over your snowblower, secure the adjustable Velcro straps, and you're good to go. No need to worry about strong winds blowing it away. These buckles keep everything firmly in place. Another impressive aspect of this cover is its breathability. Unlike traditional PVC covers, the Zettum cover allows for airflow, preventing moisture buildup that can lead to mold and mildew. This breathable design, coupled with its waterproof properties, ensures your snowblower remains in pristine condition throughout the seasons. The Zettum Snowblower cover also boasts a fade-resistant feature, meaning it can withstand UV exposure for at least 3 years without significant deterioration. This is crucial for those long winters where your snowblower may be sitting out in the elements for extended periods. When you're not using it, the Zettum cover conveniently packs into a portable storage bag, making it easy to stow away until the next snowfall. And don't forget the included soft cloth for daily cleaning. It's all about keeping your equipment looking its best. In summary, the Zettum Snowblower cover is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to protect their investment. With its heavy-duty waterproof design, universal fit, easy installation, and long-lasting durability, it truly stands out as the best waterproof cover on the market. If you're ready to give your snowblower the protection it deserves, check out the Zettum Snowblower cover. You can find it linked in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay warm and safe this winter.